Hi guys, it's me, Jacob, and in this video, I'm going to show you my Puppet Fidget collection. Now, let's see how many I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've got 8 Puppet toys here to show you. So let's check them out. Alright, the first two I got is the square and the heart one. I first got these two in October 2021, and I really like them. So I'm going to show you a demonstration of them. So here's the square one. And if you flip it to the back, you can do it again. And you can hear the popping noise. That's it for the square one. Now let's do the heart. Now flip it to the back and do it again. Alright, next is the Puppet Fidget Spinner. Now I got this one in March 2020. Now I got this in March 2023, I believe. So I'll show you it. And it actually spins too. That's what it's called, Fidget Spinner. That's for the Fidget Spinner one. Now we do this one. Now this has 5 of them, and these are small and big. Now I got this one in October 2023, I believe. So I'm going to show you it. That's it for this one. Now this is the same one like the previous one, but this one is different. It has different colors, and there is a hole right there. I'm not sure what that's for. Now I got this in December 2023. So let's check it out. Okay, let me fix this for a second before we can do the next one. Okay, that's it for this one. Now I'm going to show you this one here. This is the same spinner like that one we showed, but this is a different one. It has more dot poppets on it, and it's different colors. So let's check it out. And let's give it a spin. How cool is that, guys? Okay, now don't care about me sniffing. Okay, that's it for this one. That's it for this one. Now we have this blue one, and this one has the alphabet and numbers in it. I got this one in March. Now I got this in March 2024, I think. So let's check it out. So first, it has letters from A to Z. And then we have numbers. Now flip it to the back and do it again. But this time you have to flip it right side up. There we go. Now do it again. Alright, that's it for this one. And the last one we're gonna show you is this one here. Now, I'm not sure what this shape is. So if you know what shape this is, let me know in the comments. But let's check it out. Now flip it to the back and do it again. Okay, now before we end the video, let's talk about some tips about these. Okay, so if you notice that in this puppet here, you notice that the yellow puppet is starting to rip up, is starting to fall apart. See, you see there's a big rip, or you see there's a big rip in it, and it's also a hole. I should rip it off, but I won't do that because I might ruin it. So I'm just gonna leave it alone. Now for the fidget spinner one, you know, I should do them in order I show them, but I'll just go from this to this and that. Anyways, for the fidget spinner one, you notice how it doesn't spin fast; it just spins slow, a bit slowly. Watch. Hold on. See how it does that? I'm not sure why it does that. So that's it. So yeah. And now for this one, this is the bit. And for this one, for some reason, you notice how it falls apart if I pick on the edge. Let me show you. See, it just falls apart, and that's strange. So let me fix it for a second. Okay, I fixed it, and guys, well, that's it for this video of me showing my Poppet fidget toy. My Poppet fidget collection. See you in the next video, guys.